Today, we're gonna learn over 30 common day-to-day phrases and words in Persian. سلام به همگی دوستان. Hi guys, welcome back. So today we're gonna learn over 30 common phrases and words in Persian, and along the way I'm gonna give you some tips and some formal and informal versions of these phrases or words. So grab your tea, grab a piece of paper, and let's get started. Don't forget to repeat the words loudly. Salam, salam, salam. Hello, hi. Sobh bekhair, sobh bekhair, sobh bekhair. It is written in this way, okay? We have a h, but in reality, we don't say the h. We say sobh bekhair. We don't say sobh. All right, sobh bekhair, sobh bekhair, sobh bekhair. Good morning. Roz bekhair, roz bekhair, roz bekhair, roz bekhair. Good day, good night. Shab bekhair, shab bekhair. You can see we have two b. Right? So we have two b very close to each other, next to each other. So we cannot pronounce both of them. So only one of them is said in this word. We'd say shab bekhair, shab bekhair, shab bekhair. Good night. What's happened? Chi shode, chi shode, chi shode, chi shode. Why are you worried? چرا نگرانی؟ چرا نگرانی؟ چرا it means why. نگران it means worried. چرا نگرانی؟ چرا نگرانی؟ I'm sorry. متاسفم. I'm sorry. متاسفم. 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 We have also another word for sorry. ببخشید. 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 So we usually say ببخشید for small things, and also we use it when we bump into someone or we want someone to pay attention to us. So sometimes ببخشید it means excuse me, and sometimes it means I'm sorry for little things, okay? So. Yes. بله. 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 No. خیر. 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 We also have another version for yes or no. آره, آره, and نه, نه, نه. Just keep these two in mind also. آره is usually used for informal situations. So when you're talking to your friend or family members or someone that you know well, you can use آره. Just be careful, don't use it in formal situations. However, خیر is rarely used on daily basis. We usually say na in formal situations or formal situations. We usually use na instead of khair. Khair is used rarely, and you can see you can see this word in writing, not in speaking. So you can use are and bale, and na is gonna take care of everything. What time is it? ساعت چنده؟ ساعت چنده؟ ساعت چنده؟ ساعت چنده؟ امروز چند شنبه است. What day is it today? What day is it today? امروز چند شنبه است. امروز چند شنبه است. امروز چند شنبه است. What day is it today? Nice to meet you. خوشوقتم. خوشبختم. خوشوقتم. Nice to meet you. Thank you. ممنون. 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 You're welcome. خواهش میکنم. خواهش میکنم. How is noun pronounced that loudly? خواهش میکنم. خواهش میکنم. You're welcome. سردمه. I'm cold. سردمه. 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 I'm not feeling good. حالم خوب نیست. حالم خوب نیست. حالم خوب نیست. How much is this in the name of the item? قیمتش چنده. این item قیمتش چنده. قیمتش چنده. How much is the total? How much is the total? چقدر میشه؟ چقدر میشه؟ چقدر میشه؟ چقدر میشه؟ Where is the nearest hospital? نزدیکترین بیمارستان کجاست؟ نزدیکترین the place. بیمارستان where is it? کجاست؟ نزدیکترین بیمارستان کجاست؟ نزدیکترین بیمارستان کجاست؟ کجایی؟ Where are you? کجایی؟ 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 Please. بفرمایید. 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 So, بفرمایید is a little bit tricky. You can use it in different situations. So, when we can say بفرمایید. It means please sit down. We look at the chair and we point at it. And when we say بفرمایید, it means please take a seat. With this just one word, بفرمایید, you're going to say please take a seat. Or in other places, so you are handing over something to someone else, you can say بفرمایید. It means here you go, here you are. Okay? بفرمایید. بفرمایید. Another word that could be a little bit tricky, especially because I don't see it in many languages. So this one is خسته نباشید. خسته نباشید. خسته نباشید. So literally, if you translate it, it means don't be tired. We usually say this at the end of the day to our coworkers. It means thank you for your hard work. I hope you're not very tired. So we use it in this kind of situations. You can also say it to your teacher at the end of the lesson. So you can say خسته نباشید. It means thank you for your hard work. خسته نباشید. امروز, today. امروز, today. امروز, امروز. فردا, tomorrow. فردا, فردا, فردا. پس فردا, the next day after tomorrow. The next day after tomorrow. پس فردا. پس فردا. What's the date today? What's the date today? امروز چندمه. امروز چندمه. امروز چندمه. امروز چندمه. See you later. میبینمت. 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 خداحافظ. Goodbye. خداحافظ. 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 I'll call you later. بهت زنگ میزنم. بهت زنگ میزنم. بهت زنگ میزنم. بهت زنگ میزنم. Alright, thank you very much for watching. See you next time. خداحافظ.